My name is Paige, owner of Breezy Soap and Bath Factory. I started making soap in 2007 to eliminate harmful chemicals from our home. We sold our products at farmers markets until we opened our store here in Abbeville, South Carolina in 2016. With wonderful ingredients like coconut oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter, along with essential oils and top-of-the-line fragrances, our products are made in small batches to ensure quality. We offer personal care, a unique experience, and great products for your everyday skincare needs, as well as wonderful gifts. You deserve great skincare. Come visit us on Trinity Street, where you can see our workshop or shop online at breezyquarters.com.